So it's birthday time again. Yes, it's that awful time of the year again when we're a year older. Guess what I got for my birthday? Any guesses? Yay! Class 117 3-car DMU set, which is on the track here. It is awesome. The detail on this thing is incredible. So it's a Bachmann one, as you saw, and it is just stunning. Now, unfortunately, I ordered a sound DCC sound chip, and when I got it, it's an 8-pin sound chip, and unfortunately on the 117 it's a 21-pin plug, so I've ordered a 21-pin to 8-pin converter. So it's going to have to just sit until the converter arrives, which will probably be a couple of weeks. So unfortunately I can't run it, but as soon as I get the converter, I will have it running and up and going. Yay!